Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to order a product from H&M. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in hm.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official H&M website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the sign in button at the top right corner and proceed forward with your credentials. After logging in, you can look through various different items that you wish to purchase. Once you find a product that you are interested in, just click on it. Just choose your size and then click on the add button. Once the item has been added to your shopping bag, click on your shopping bag at the top right corner and then click on checkout. You will be asked to enter your billing address. After entering your name, your address, your postcode, as well as your city or state, click on the save button and then you can choose your shipping preferences. After selecting both of these options, you will finally be asked to enter your payment information to finalize your payment. After entering your payment information, proceed forward with the confirmation, and now your order will be placed and it will be delivered to you within the mentioned date. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to order any product from the H&M website. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.